How to edit or delete a record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click the Zone Editor. Load the DNS records of that particular domain you wish to alter. Suppose we want to alter the DNS records of the domain example.com, then click this Manage button. DNS records of the selected domain are loaded on the page. Now locate the record you wish to edit and click the Edit button provided in the row of the record. Now make the required changes and click the Save Record button. That's it. We have successfully updated the selected DNS record. Now to delete this record, click this Delete button and continue. That's it. We have successfully deleted the A record. Now you know how to edit or delete a record. Thank you for watching.